The brand new Renault Kardian is the first in a full range of vehicles with an international focus, illustrating the brand's new strategy for non-European markets. This model will go on sale in Latin America before arriving in other non-European markets. Kardian is a compact urban B-segment vehicle with Renault's DNA at the heart of its design, both in its style and its equipment. Its front end showcases the brand's new stylistic identity, featuring the Nouvelle logo and a new signature lighting pattern. Kardian will be launched with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged of 125 horsepower with 220 Nm of torque direct injection engine coupled with an efficient dual-clutch automatic transmission. Resolutely modern, Kardian boasts innovations and features usually reserved for higher segment vehicles: 17-inch rims, a high console with an E-shifter gear selector, as well as multi-sense settings offering different driving modes and ambient lighting options.